right, let's get right into the members section. As you can see here, we are now going from the gradebook section, as you can see in the highlighted portion here, into the members section. Now, class members can be managed through the members link here on the left of the wall. By using the drop-down menu beside each and every name on the member, you can send them a message right there. You can remove them as an administrator, or you can remove them from a class. Now, removed students will not be able to access any information from inside of the class. You can invite instructors to be a guest if you'd like, just by clicking on Add Members. These guest members will not have any kind of supervision power over anything. They won't be able to change any grades or add any grades, any kind of instructions like that, or any kind of rights that only come from the admin account. And so we're going to request that if you do add a teacher, that you would, a guest teacher or a guest lecturer or something like that, that you go ahead and feel free to add them. You will need to send them, if you look over here, you will need to send them this access code. That's how they will be able to enter into the class. So once you've added them, and you send them that invitation, because once you add, it sends an invitation, you'll want to go ahead and send them an email or give them a notification that they'll need this access code to be able to join. We're going to ask that you feel free to add anyone you think would be germane to your class as a guest. Anything else, we would request that you let us know, and we'll take care of handling any administrative accounts and rights. That way you're protected and the school is protected as well. One of the things, if you look over here, you'll notice that there's little badges, and those little badges are for being a guest or an administrator. Anytime there's a star, that person is an administrator for that class. Okay? That's about it with this. We'll go into probably now one of the greatest tools that you'll have is the class library, and we'll differentiate that from the My Files section.